today and the rest of the days na darating, we can say we came, we saw, we felt, we learned, we imbibed. Therefore, we will practice this when we get back to Colegio Santa Teresa. And now, after that, we are ready to transcend. Kanina, nakita niyo yung nandun sa BTC. Maybe in the future, kayo yung nandun. Sa mga aeroplano, pagsakay namin ni Dinandi. Kanina, nandun kayo sa Nika. Who knows, in the future, pagsakay ng barko ni Dinandi, kayo yung sasalubong sa kanila. And so, let's be ready. Let's get the most out of this experience. Okay lang yan, mag-enjoy kayo. First year pa lang yan. But, unti-unti na isa sa buhay nyo yung industriyang pinasok at papasukin. By the way, I'd like to take this opportunity to also thank Sir Chris. Nasaan si Sir Chris? At ang kanyang team, no? Ang team ng ating tour provider. Maraming salamat. God bless you all and tara na sa Teresa.